Understanding the idiomatic expression, spin a yarn. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, spin a yarn. Whether you're a budding English speaker or just looking to polish your idiomatic skills, you've come to the right place. So, let's thread the needle together and stitch our way to understanding this colorful expression. The phrase, spin a yarn, is an idiomatic expression in English. When someone says they are going to spin a yarn, they mean they're about to tell a story or tale, often a long, elaborate, or fanciful one. Interestingly, this expression has nautical roots. Let's dive into its origins in the next section. Spin a yarn hails from the high seas. Originally, it referred to the time-consuming task sailors undertook when they repaired or made new ropes for their ship. As they spun, they would often tell stories to pass the time. Over time, the phrase evolved to mean the act of storytelling itself, especially tales that might be exaggerated or not entirely true. Now, let's see how to weave this phrase into our everyday language. Here are a few examples. Grandpa can spin a yarn for hours about his adventures in the Andes. During the campfire, everyone took turns trying to spin a yarn more entertaining than the last. I don't have time for you to spin a yarn right now. Just give me the facts. In these sentences, spin a yarn is used to describe the act of telling a story. If you're fond of the storytelling theme, there are other expressions that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like tell tales, weave a story, or even fabricate a tale can be used interchangeably with spin a yarn, although fabricate can imply the story is made up or false. And that's a wrap on spin a yarn. I hope you found this explanation enlightening and that you're now ready to spin some yarns of your own. Remember, language is a tapestry of expressions and idioms, each adding color and texture to our conversations. Thank you for tuning in, and keep practicing your English. See you next time.